Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of REDnote. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application here of REDnote. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.